Hello, we are going to be continuing today with writing multiple representations of exponential functions. Here we have another story problem to work out, and we're going to start by writing our exponential function equation. So y equals ab to the x. First, we're going to start out with our a value, and that is our starting point. And it says, house purchased for $226,000. So that's going to be our starting point here. So we're going to put y equals 226,000. Alright, now we find our b. Looking at our equation, it says a house purchased has lost 4% of its value each year for the past 5 years. Okay, so b, because it's the multiplier, it tells us how much we're decreasing or increasing from the initial value. So if it's losing 4% of its value each year, we're going to be left with 96%. So we each year want to be able to find 96%. So we put that in decimal form. So 0.96 is our b value. Alright, now we have our two constant variables, and we want to find, it's going to tell us to either plug in for x or y. X is up here. In this case, it says, what will the value of the house be 5 years from now? So that means in our equation, we're going to want to plug in 5 for x, because x represents the number of years, y is the total value. So we're going to rewrite our equation. Y equals 226,000 times 0.96 to the 5th power, and we're going to solve. We can either solve this by just plugging it into our graphing calculator, or we can solve it by order of operations. So if we're going to do that, we start out the exponent. So 0.96 to the 5th power is going to equal 0.8154. Alright, and then we're going to take that times 226,000, and our final answer is going to be 184,274.23. And in relation to this equation, we're looking for price, and that's the value. So we're putting a money sign there. And our final answer is $184,274.23. That's how much the house is going to cost 5 years from now.